Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Russia More Reviews. It's Rush the Discover Boss. So we're here with another development. So we're on Upper Waterloo Road. That's where we're at right now. So this is a construction that has been happening for a while. Did an update on it like 6 months ago. So we're here to get an update. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. We're also trying to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of May. So I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the long-time supporters as well. Appreciate everybody. If you want to donate to the channel, guys, we have all that in the description. We have PayPal and other banking information in terms of how to donate to the channel. And definitely like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. All that will help the video to reach more audience, reach more new people, so we can continue to grow the community. I'll also put the link for the first video I did on this complex in the description and in the comments as well. 6 months ago it wasn't this far. It was like probably just 1 or 2 floors, so a lot of work has been completed over the last 6 months. To be honest, I don't have much info on this. I'm not sure if it's an apartment complex. I'm not sure if it's a commercial shopping complex, but I guess as time progresses we'll know more details. And as usual, guys, if you have any information, definitely leave in the comments. I'll appreciate that as well. I know a lot of persons usually leave information in the comments, and I appreciate that. Continue doing so, guys. And yes, it could be taller. I know Pete as well, one of the subscribers, always watching, always commenting. I know Pete will say this building should be taller, but a lot of time it's government regulation as well, government restriction and building codes. So this is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. So it's 6 floors. It's very long, so it's very lengthy. I'll also go in front and get a side view as well. So this is a residential neighborhood as well. This is Upper Waterloo Close. So this is a residential community. So we have Waterloo Road out on this side, Upper Waterloo Road. Alright, so up that side is up to Chartwood Road direction. And down this side. So this side is back to Half a Tree and Waterloo. Our Lower Waterloo Road. So that's 37A Waterloo Road. That's CRE Auto Brokers. That's an apartment complex beside it. So Waterloo is a residential neighborhood. Alright, so this is the construction on the way on Upper Waterloo Road. Again, if you have any information on it, guys, leave in the comment section. I'm not seeing much info on the wall. I'm not sure if it's an apartment. They don't have any pictures of the final project. So the project is financed by JMB. Zeta Construction is the contractors. So this is the front view on Upper Waterloo Road. And just showed you guys the side view just now. Alright guys, if you have made it this far in the video, definitely leave a comment. Definitely like the video as well. Share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe. Subscribing is free. I'm gonna also cross the road over the other side and show you guys what's on my side, so you have a good view of the entire area. Alright, and thanks for watching. Watch till the end, and I'll see you on another video as well. Rush for more reviews.